Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your butter slime stretchy. First, ensure your butter slime is already made and ready for modification. We'll focus on simple additions to improve its texture. This easy method will help you achieve that perfect, pliable consistency. Get ready to transform your slime into a super stretchy creation that's fun to play with. One of the easiest ways to boost stretchiness is by adding lotion. Start with about 1/4 of a teaspoon, then knead it in completely. The lotion helps moisturize the slime, making it more pliable. If your slime still isn't stretchy enough, add a tiny bit more, perhaps another 1/8 of a teaspoon, and continue kneading until you reach your desired texture. Another effective technique involves warmth and consistent kneading. Your body heat from your hands can significantly improve the slime's texture. Spend a few minutes actively stretching and folding the slime. This process helps distribute ingredients evenly and makes the slime more elastic. You'll notice a difference in its flexibility and overall stretchiness. If your slime becomes too sticky after adding lotion, a very small amount of activator can help. Just a drop or two kneaded in well. Always store your finished butter slime in an airtight container to maintain its stretchiness. This prevents it from drying out and losing its perfect texture. Enjoy your wonderfully stretchy butter slime.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.